Tired of drowning in data and struggling to make sense of it all? Let's transform your raw data into a dynamic, insightful dashboard using Tableau. First, open Tableau Public and connect to your data source. Tableau supports various formats, including Excel, CSV, and even cloud-based databases. Select the file containing the dataset that you want to visualize. Now, Tableau will display a preview of your data. Take a moment to review the fields and ensure the data types are correctly assigned. Correct any issues before moving to the worksheet. Navigate to a new worksheet by clicking the tab at the bottom here. You'll see your data dimensions and measures. On the left, dimensions are your categorical data, while measures are numerical values. Start building your visualization by dragging and dropping dimensions and measures onto the rows and column shelves. For instance, drag a category dimension to columns and a sales measure to rows to create a bar chart showing sales, a category. Explore different chart types using the Show Me tab. Tableau will recommend visualizations based on the fields you've selected. Experiment to find the best way to represent your data. Customize your chart by adjusting colors, adding labels, and modifying tooltips. These formatting options help make your insights clearer and more engaging. To create your dashboard, click the New Dashboard tab. Drag and drop your created worksheets onto the dashboard canvas. Arrange them strategically to tell a cohesive story. Add interactivity by incorporating filters and actions. These allow users to explore the data and uncover deeper insights. For example, create a filter based on region that can be applied to all charts in the dashboard. And there you have it, a dynamic Tableau dashboard ready to communicate your data insights effectively. Remember to save your work and share it with your team. Now go forth and visualize.